Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Grady-White 275 Freedom. The hull color of this boat is Seaport Blue. It is powered by twin Yamaha 200 4-strokes. As we enter through the walkthrough transom, you'll see a freshwater cockpit shower. This one does have the engine flush system inside the boat. Here on the transom, you'll see a very large fish box, also lighted. A transom live well. This is going to have the transom seat. You can flip it up, flip it down. As we enter the boat, you see your prep station, fresh water. Plenty of storage drawers. These are all lockable. In here you'll have a trash can. On the port side, you do have an electric seat that does come out to the transom seat. A large, spacious head area on the port side. You'll see plenty of storage inside there as well. Fusion stereo. Over here on the starboard side at the helm, you'll have the nice flip-up bolster chair, flip-down armrest, tilt wheel steering. This boat does have the joystick helm master option with set point, Yamaha digital gauges, Bennett trim tabs with indicator, and of course a remote for the stereo on this side. As we enter the boat to the bow, you'll have a bow block-off door. Plenty of storage for your table, your tackle boxes. Up in the hardtop area, you'll see the Seaport Blue color. You'll see the net for storage. This boat does have the Sure Shade extension off the back. Finally, up in the bow, you'll notice it's really deep, really thick cushions, a lot of stainless steel grab handles. This one does have the anchor windlass option with up and down here in the bow, and you can control it at the helm. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 275 Freedom. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.